My Account widget from Prodigy Commerce is an excellent tool for showing a My Account link, as seen here, in your global e-commerce header through the Elementor page builder. This way, customers can open their account pages to view information like past orders, payment methods, and shipping addresses. It's fairly easy to add the My Account widget to your site. Simply open the WordPress dashboard connected to your Prodigy website and then scroll down to find Elementor. Under that, you'll see a Templates tab, under which you can select the Theme Builder. The Theme Builder is great because you're building global themes that will work across your entire website. So for example, you would choose a header for the My Account widget. You could create one from scratch or add one that you created from before. For this example, we'll edit a previous header that we created, but you can also click the Add New button to choose from the wide range of header templates that Elementor provides. Regardless of the header that you choose, the goal is to create a global header so that it covers your entire website. This way, if someone lands on your website, they'll always see the My Account button in the upper right or left-hand corner or wherever you want to put it in the header. To add the My Account widget, go to the Elements section under Elementor and scroll to the very bottom where you can find the Prodigy Commerce widgets. At the very top, there is a My Account widget. Click and drag that option into the header wherever you want it to show up. It's helpful to have columns or sections within the editor already so that you can move the My Account section to one particular area. One of the most popular places to put a My Account button would be in the top right corner so that it's not taking up too much space on your site, yet customers can always access it at any time. Now, once you have this My Account widget inserted onto the header, you can go over to the Style section where we have a Style tab and an Advanced tab to adjust how this looks. This is a very simple widget, so it's just a link to another page, and you can actually customize that My Account page on your own page in WordPress. So that's a totally different factor. But for the link, what we're going to do is go to the Style General section and change the alignment. So if you wanted to have it to the right, center, left, that's an option. And then you can also modify the bottom margin. So to separate it from something like the cart or the navigational menu. And then we also recommend customizing the link as well. So if you wanted to, you could change My Account altogether. Like if your company had a different word for it, like My Hub or My Resources, anything like that, you can change it just so your customers know exactly what they're getting underneath that section. And then of course, you can change the typography as well as the text color and icon. Very quickly, we'll go in here and change that typography. You can choose from your presets such as secondary, text, or the accent. Or if you wanted to, you could get very specific with it here and modify the actual font family. So if we wanted to make a very bold, futuristic looking font, change the size, obviously not that big, as well as the weight, transform, style, you can add italics, as well as the line height, letter spacing, and word spacing. Following that, you can change the text color to match your brand. So we'll choose a purple here. And then go to the icon library or upload an SVG for an icon that would go right next to the My Account text. It's possible to scroll through all these icons, or you can type something in here like user and choose one of these kind of people user profiles, which is usually reminiscent of a link that would lead to a My Account page. Click the insert button, and then you'll see that that icon now appears next to the My Account link. And more settings show up as well. So the icon position, you could do it before or after. You can change the icon spacing as well as the size. And that's just about all there is to this widget, the My Account widget. There are definitely more controls under the Advanced section. So if you wanted to play around with those, you can go to the Layout. There are motion effects, transform effects, background, mask, responsiveness, as well as custom CSS. Just to give you an example, we can go under the Transform Advanced settings, and if you wanted to, say, rotate it for some reason, then you might want to flip it over completely. Or if you wanted to scale the proportions, there's an option for that. And then of course there are options for background effects. So let's show you an example here. You could add a gradient background with a particular color right underneath the color tab here. And of course this might not be suitable, but it's just to give you an idea as to all the settings that are available for you. So that's the My Account widget from Prodigy Commerce, which again will lead customers, once clicked, to a completely different page where they can log into their account and see everything from orders to returns and whatever you have accessible through your Prodigy website.